to promise. Now they carry me, they go where I no know. So
love you overwhelmingly and flabbergastedly.
Jesus, can't you mean what you say and say what you mean?
Mazi, you must be a greedy man.
She get this girl not.
That's all your concern.
This is quite preposterous and highly embarrassing.
Very disgracing.
Go put up for your body water, you don't be shaking.
What were you hiding in your mouth before the arrival of my torchlight?
Sorry for suspect, my Romeos.
No be Romeo also. Romeo.
I thought I was punishing them, not knowing that I was punishing myself. No, they shall do something, I beg.
Look, Mati for you. I keep looking go.
Wait, put children.
How much should I want? How much?
Once you move in, I'm going to tutor you. What is it?
Like say you use bolombolo like other men they use bolombolo. We no go there for this wahala.
The way you